You're never gonna be alone, never from now on. Need someone to hold, just hold on me. I'll never be far away, I'm here to stay. If you get lost on me. The second I looked into your eyes, baby, I held on for my life. No matter what, I know you're right where I wanna be. Even if the whole world turns itself against us, I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna love you. Even with my last breath, the last beat in my chest, I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna love you. Even on the worst of days, I know it's gonna be okay, as long as I've got you right here with me. Whatever our crazy hearts might do, whatever it is that we go through, no matter what, I know you're right where I wanna be. Even if the whole world turns itself against us, I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna love you. Even with my last breath, the last beat in my chest, I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna love you, yeah. I'm gonna love you like it's our last day.
Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know, and subscribe here for more content. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, and that's where we host all of our other videos and content, so it would mean the world if you go check it out. And this is an example of a custom choreography that we made for 2 of our members. So if you want us to create a wedding dance for you, just go ahead, check out the links below, fill out the form, and we'll create something for you. And if you really like this dance, you can now purchase it as is and learn it for yourselves. So go ahead and check all those things out, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.